Hey everyone. Oh wait, lens cap. Right, that's a bit better. All right, hey everyone. So today we're going to talk about the Model 3 center console. So this giant piano black finish thing here. Now, everyone knows that this can get covered in grime, dust, fingerprints, and it can get scratched because, you know, it's a piece of plastic basically. So a company called EV Armor has kindly sent me a wrap which you can install on your center console. You've probably seen a million videos of this, but today I'm going to try and show you the satin black one. So a lot of people like the matte black finish. Now personally, I do like the gloss. I asked them if they had a gloss one, but they don't, or maybe a transparent one, but they don't. So I asked for the satin black one, which is, you know, it's not as glossy as the actual, you know, original finish, but it's definitely more glossy than the matte black that most people tend to get. So in the kit, you get all the pieces for your center console. So even for the phone dock, so underneath here, let me open this. So this section here, there's also a piece for that. So that's this piece here, and also for the piece which is up underneath here that you can't really see on camera. So they even have a piece for there as well. So what I'm going to try and do now is clean this up and try and attach this to my center console, and we'll see how it goes. In the kit, they also give you some alcohol wipes, so you can use this to clean your center console. And also with the kit, they give you a squeegee, so you can use this to, you know, squeeze out any air bubbles as you apply it. Now, EV Armor also has a very good video that tells you exactly how to attach this. I've already watched the video, so I'm going to try and do this and see how we go. Okay, boom, this is done. So this is what it looks like. This is the satin black. I think it looks pretty good. I mean, fingerprint wise, you know, it's a bit better. Actually, it's a lot better than, you know, the glossy black. Now, my install is not perfect. I tried my best, but as you can see here, there's still a bit of gloss on the left side, so I didn't keep it quite parallel. And another thing to look out for is these corners here. So in their instructional video, it says to press the corners down first, which I did not do. And if you don't do that, you will see that there's it's not quite fitting properly, but that's okay, you can barely see it. So yeah, so this is the satin black EV Armor wrap for your center console. Install is okay. I mean, the top piece and the middle piece install is relatively easy. The cup holder piece is definitely the harder one, so definitely watch their video to get your head around how to actually do it properly before attempting it. And I think it looks pretty good. Now, if you are looking for a wrap, EV Armor is giving a 10% discount. So I have a coupon code in the description. So go ahead and use that if you like. And I hope this was useful, and thanks for watching.